How to fix your TikTok voice effects not working. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to understand is voice effects are only supported in a couple of countries. So you want to simply go ahead and check if that is available in your country. So whenever you're making a video, you want to simply go to the effects tab and then see if the voice effects are selected. You can simply go ahead and select voice effects at the bottom of your screen and simply try recording with it. If it's still not working, you can go to your profile menu, settings, and then simply go to free up space and clear cache when needed. If it's still not working, you should probably try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, which should go ahead and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If your application is not up to date, you want to go to your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you're using, and simply go ahead and update your application. Always try restarting your phone, or if none of it works, try uninstalling and installing the application back. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.